You and me, we're going on an adventure together. Come on! Hi! Did you ever notice these boxes? I see them all the time. They are standing next to intersections and traffic lights. But what are they actually doing? And what's inside? Is it full of wires? Or is there something smarter going on? Well, today we're going to open the lid. Not literally, of course, but we will discover what's inside the brain of modern traffic lights. And we will do that at the very place where they are developed and manufactured. Let's go!
Are you ready? Let it bounce.
To understand how a traffic light on intersections can think for itself, I came to Odense, the SWARCO Technology factory. And with me is someone who knows every detail of these systems. Hi, Anders.
Good to meet you, Anja. Welcome to SWARCO Technology. This is where we design and build the heart of the modern traffic intersection, the traffic light controller.
Great.
Can we have a look?
Yes, thank you.
So Anja, this was the box that you saw. Let's have a look inside.
Ah.
So in here you see the traffic light controller, and this is what manages the intersection.
Okay, so this controller actually tells my light when to switch to green, red, amber.
Yeah, exactly. And in the old days it was just based on time.
Okay.
But then came along induction loops that made it more traffic actuated. And in recent times we now have a lot of information about the vehicles, like their speed, their length, and even their time to the stop line.
Really? So it's actually not just reacting, it is also thinking ahead and can adapt the traffic by thinking further?
Yeah, exactly. And
wow.
On top of adaptive, we've now started using artificial intelligence to further adapt how well the controller responds to the traffic.
So you mentioned a very popular keyword, artificial intelligence. How can I imagine this for traffic management?
Yeah, that's a very good question. I talked about the inductive loops, and they are more like on-off information, which is quite easy to handle. But as sensors go more advanced, what you can see is here, this is the web interface from the controller, from a real intersection live on the street. And you can see we actually are able to see all the vehicles that are moving in the intersection. So to process all of this data, we need to leverage artificial intelligence, and then it can make the right decisions, both about the traffic you can see and also to predict what is sort of outside of the view of the detector.
Okay, but that is a big responsibility.
It is. And also it can help in reducing the amount of hours you need for humans to sit down and think of all the possibilities that is happening here, because we can react directly on the traffic and we don't have to re-evaluate by human every some years how the traffic has changed in the intersections.
That's awesome. So this AI system seems very intelligent to me. But being an CSR expert, I still have one important question to ask. What kind of value does such a system bring to the environment or the society?
Yeah, that is an important question. One thing that I always focus on with the artificial intelligence is, of course, that we improve the efficiency of the intersection. What that means is that we get people through quicker, saving them time, but also that we save emissions, we avoid unnecessary stops, so that's quite good. The other thing is, with new sensor technology, we can actually see pedestrians, we can see cyclists, and we can detect near misses, so we also make the experience more safe.
Very good, that's important. To be honest, I was completely unaware that there was so much technology inside the box. And so much potential to reduce emissions and keep our people safe. Next time we will find out what happens one level up. See you!